Oh my god, this is really too much. I couldn't believe it when I heard. Oh day, we're diving into the latest updates on Boeing's Starliner. So, when is Starliner coming home? Well, Boeing and NASA are still trying to figure that out. Starliner's first-ever astronaut flight has been in orbit for over a month now, and it still doesn't have a return date. It launched on June 5th, carrying NASA astronauts Butch Wilmore and Suni Williams to the ISS for what was supposed to be a week-long stay. But of course, space travel is never that simple. They ran into some issues with helium leaks and thruster problems, and the engineers are still working on those. Steve Stick, the manager of NASA's Commercial Crew Program, mentioned in a press conference that they're taking their time to analyze all the data before deciding on a return date. He emphasized that they want to make sure everything is safe before bringing the crew back. Despite these hiccups, NASA, Boeing, and the astronauts still have confidence in Starliner. Butch Wilmore praised the capsule's on-orbit performance, even though they had to switch to manual control for over an hour due to issues with the reaction control system thrusters. Wilmore and Williams have integrated into the ISS's Expedition 71 crew, now unofficially called Expedition 71+. They've taken on daily maintenance tasks and science experiments, helping to clear a backlog of station tasks. They've also continued checking out Starliner's systems and working with Boeing engineers back on Earth to figure out what caused the anomalies. Steve Stick also highlighted the advantage of using the ISS as a temporary orbital hangar, which allows them to understand Starliner's long-term performance in space. They've been running tests at NASA's White Sands Test Facility to replicate the thruster issues. The latest return window for Starliner is mid-August, just before the Crew 9 launch. Ideally, they'd like to bring Wilmore and Williams back sooner, maybe by the end of July, but they're taking it step by step. They've got a lot of confidence in the thrusters now, thanks to an on-orbit test fire. Stick mentioned that they're making sure there are no other surprises lurking. This mission follows two prior uncrewed Starliner missions to the ISS, which also had their own set of issues. The extended stay at the ISS is helping teams prepare for future operational missions, which are planned to last up to 6 months. They're using this time to refine their processes and make sure everything is ready for Starliner 1 in 2025. As the mission continues, the focus is on ensuring a safe return for Wilmore and Williams. Starliner is ready to return in an emergency, and the team is working through all the steps to prepare for undocking and landing. So stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to like and subscribe for the latest space news. Thanks for watching.